Hello and welcome to ARC Studio. I'm Inderpreet Shokar, Senior Analyst at ARC Advisory Group, and today we'll talk with ARC's Senior Analyst Dick Selansky, the author of the 2019 Simulation Software Global Market Study. Hello and welcome, Dick. Dick, what is your area of expertise in the simulation software market and how this has enriched your analysis of the market? And please tell us what are some of the more common applications for simulation software that would help the audience better understand the topic.
As a research director for PLM and engineering design tools, I have been following the CAE and product test areas of the overall PLM market for many years. CAE technology and applications have evolved into comprehensive multifunctional simulation platforms that provide a complete range of product test applications. Also, the market now includes simulation applications for creating virtual simulations of the physical world. This includes 3D virtual simulations for buildings, factories, plants, smart cities, infrastructure, and the environment. Let's take a look at some of the specific areas in the simulation software market application space. CAE comprises the traditional area of product test that's been around for some time. These simulation applications would include finite element analysis and structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics, multiphysics, electromagnetics. And in addition to these core product test areas, today we have manufacturing or production system simulation used for virtual commissioning of production systems. We have systems engineering simulation. We have discrete event simulation. We have mechatronics simulation. In addition to that, we have the emergence of large-scale virtual simulation for smart cities and infrastructure, and also the emergence of simulation for science and science applications.
Thank you, Dick. That was very helpful. So our next question is, what trends are driving customers to change their buying criteria for products?
Some of the current trends that are influencing customers' buying criteria include the following: the need to develop a strategy for the industrial IoT and the digital twin, use of multifunctional simulation platforms for a concurrent approach to design, validate capabilities, a use of advanced simulation technology for science, infrastructure, smart cities, and the environment, and a democratization of simulation tools. That is, non-experts are able to use sophisticated applications due to current ease of use and better UIs in the simulation applications.
So Dick, let's talk a little bit about drivers now. What do you think are the underlying drivers that have been critical to growth in this market?
Some of the drivers that have been critical to growth in the simulation market would include the continued advance in use of intelligent cyber-physical systems across all major industries, the emergence of simulation platforms for digital twin implementation, the growth of new product areas such as medical devices and the electric vehicle market that require specialized simulation tools, simulation tools for drug development and material science, which allow simulation at the molecular level, and the emergence of smart cities and infrastructure that require 3D virtual simulation.
Dick, what trends in the market will have the greatest impact on shaping strategic initiatives for suppliers?
Some of the market trends that'll have impact on shaping strategic initiatives for the suppliers would include design and manufacturing changes in the automotive and aerospace and defense industries, A focus on cloud-based simulation applications as a good business model for both the users and their suppliers. The need for their customers to develop and implement digital twin applications for both product design and products in the field. And the adoption of simulation by users for drug development and biotech, and the need to develop next generation materials.
Thank you, Dick, for sharing your insight on simulation software market and sharing more information about your study as well. That's about all the time we have for today. Audience members who would like to know more, please contact an ARC client manager or the author directly. You can also reach us through our website arcweb.com. Thank you and goodbye.